Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey man, so this is how we starting off the video today. So, yeah, we just getting straight into it. I know this is like, you know, out of the blue, out of nowhere. Right now, we got the toys out. The grown man toys. Trying to get my head thing set for y'all so I can put y'all on there. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, this shit sound insane. Huh? I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I do not know that guy. I do not know that guy. I did not race that guy. I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. Yeah, bro. This is insane. This shit.
Yeah.
Why the fuck is there so much traffic over here now?
Now he been like that for years. He used to have like an older one of those, like real bad beaten up. Like if he hit the gas, like the whole bed. Really? Yeah.
The bed?
Yeah, the bed was. But I guess he upgraded it. Yeah. Okay. I'm about to get a thumbnail, bro.
Bro, this shit low-key hard, bro. Bro, y'all get to see the whips out today, bro. We got a BMW 550i downpipe. Sounds fucking insane. Then you got my Butte, you feel me? The 5.7. And yeah, if y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's a lot of shit going on. A lot of shit going on. What's up, man? You already know. Hell yeah. He changed his fucking spark plugs on his car, and I guess one of them wasn't tightened down all the way, and it put him down. So he called me, gave me a phone ring, and I had to come through and help him out. You feel me? And it is. It is.
When it comes to trim level, I'm not choosing with the Daytona TA. That's it.
Hell yeah. This bitch is nasty, bro. With the Hellcat replica wheels. But like I was saying, y'all know KC1. He is not a newcomer to the YouTube channel. So
I like the
What
wine.
the fuck?
What? Is it the spark plug that's in right
That
there?
ain't supposed to come out with this.
Yeah. It shouldn't be that bad though, right? You could just put it back in and...
Unless it blew the threads out.
No way this phone died.
Your phone died? Is it hot?
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Shredded this fucking boot.
So, for the people that's watching this right now, just to give y'all a little breakdown real quick. Basically, my coworker did his own spark plugs and coil lovers or whatever I think they are called. They did them by themselves, but he forgot to tighten one bolt for his spark plugs, and once they got all the way on it, it just blew the threads where the spark plug was at. So yeah, that's just a little clarification. So he got it fixed now and stuff like that. So if y'all do want a POV drive with me and bro, let me know, and we finna get right back into the video.
Do you drive this in the winter?
No.
But I drove all my new kids in the winter. Fuck shit. Man, when you know that the highway, it's the highway where you basically go into crossroads and then you get off the excess braking. That whole highway, I kid you not, 50 some miles per hour in the snow, and I'm just sliding the whole time. It's fun as fuck. You think you can't drive, but all you need is one tire and some trust.
Hell yeah.
And then the power just make it way more fun.
That's when my ass fucked up. I ain't put no winter tires on my shit. I was sliding everywhere without even going crazy.
You don't think it still can tighten down to get it back to
I ain't gonna call the police. I wanna watch. I see homie got the GoPro cam.
Nah. We just some friends just chilling out and shit, just trying to help them out. Hell yeah. See ya. Yeah, this is another coworker. I know that shit.
Her whole matter of fact, my father-in-law go to the track every time. He got damn near all the bikes. I ain't even gonna lie.
That's crazy.
By the way, riding with pockets that are this big is sketch.
Damn.
Over here, like one-handed, all my shit's on me. What's up? Like car, or you just gotta?
Probably going to be expensive.
Okay, yeah.
What?
You gotta tell it. This bolt snapped in here.
Whoa, what
So
the fuck?
That has to be extracted, and then you gotta put a spark plug in there, and then.
That shouldn't cost too much though to fix, right?
Okay, bye.
Yeah, I told that nigga that he better back up. I be hanging with my killers and they hella dangerous. Yeah, I keep a pole on my side, I'm finna bang, yeah. Yeah, I feel like Cheeky Sosa, nigga, I'm gon' bang, bruh. I can't fuck with none of these niggas.